The reason of what I'm doing now, and probably it's the reason that got me moving. Because when I started my new career, when I started this business back in 2010, the last 20 years of my life, I started to discover something right and wrong about me. And one day I woke up that there's something wrong with me, not in the world. So I made a decision to discover it. And it took me a couple of months until I realized it. And because I realized it, remember what I told you about when you start to think at the level of your goal, all the thoughts that you need, all the ideas comes to your mind. Then when I met Bob Proctor online, and he started to mentor me to design your own career and discover your purpose, your vision, your goals, your talents, and your abilities. When I started, after being a GM, I offered the owner at that time the idea. I told him that this is me, I cannot do an IT, I'm not an IT person. But I'm in love with the idea of teaching and helping people and coaching them. So I offered them the idea of let's open a center, a different company, and we call it Spirit, Mind and Body, the name of the company that I have now. And I even had an idea of the logo back then. He said, no, I'm not interested, and some things happened. So I made a decision. By 28th December, I resigned my position. I did not quit, because there's a big difference between resigning and quitting. I resigned my position and I opened my company in Lebanon, and my last day of work was March 15, 2011. On March 15 was the last day I delegated, or I hand over all my tasks. I hired a new manager to run the center, and I left. Something you don't know, and I didn't tell you yet, when I left there, I had only 52 KD in the bank. And I still have the picture of the bank statement. I had 52 KD, I didn't pay my rents yet. But I had one idea. The first person who was to oppose me after my wife was my mom. Okay, are you crazy? What do you think you're doing? You're a GM, you have a good salary, I have 10% profit share. I had a good money to come, and I created a 670,000 KD pipeline business with that company. I left all behind. That's all because I discovered my passion. I knew what I want, But the people couldn't see what I saw at that time. They cannot see. They can't see it can't sit in your mind and see what you see. They have no power. Why? Because they cannot get into your head. So I really took that risk, and I stepped out, and bang, I started working. In August, I signed my first contract. Between August and December, I earned an income equals to 3 years of a salary from a GM position in just like 4 or 5 months. So I was so much scared. Only my family know how fear was clouding everything. But I took that risk and I stepped forward. The only thing that kept me moving is passion. Passion is it's like an engine in a car. The more powerful your passion, the more your passion is burning, the more powerful you're moving, and nothing could stop you. And I want you to think of passion in this way. Think of a train moving at 80 kilometers speed. Okay? If that train is moving, if you build a wall that is 1 meter thick of concrete, it will boom, crash through it and keep moving forward, right? Because you cannot stop a train that is moving. But when you start, it's like a train who's stopping. If you put a 10 centimeters blocks in front of the wheels, the train won't be able to start. Okay? So that's passion. That's what passion can do for you as a leader. Passion for leader is the engine. Okay? Your mission, your purpose of why you're doing it is your psychic compass. Always remember those two words, mission and passion. Okay, your mission is that thing that corrects your direction. Whenever you drift away from your purpose, something will bring you back. And passion is the engine. And the bigger the passion, the bigger the engine, the more thrust you have. It's like you work in the aircraft field. So imagine an engine on a 747 or a 777 or the engine of the A320 Airbus. There's a big difference. One has, I think, 16,000 tons of thrust. The other one has around 24,000 tons. I don't know exact information, but one engine is bigger than the other. So that's what passion can do for you, all right? Passion can keep you on the track, can keep you moving forward, can keep you overcome most of your problems, can escalate your thinking to a new levels, can make you meet people you never met before, can make you really make decisions you never took before, all right? And can really help you become the person you want to become. And above all, you can feel happy. Why? Because you are doing what you love to do. I told you when we started this workshop 2 days ago, leadership is not what we think sometimes. Leadership is service. Leadership is doing. Leadership is giving. Leadership is helping others become better people, and not the opposite. It's not about the position or the benefits that come from a position. This is not leadership. So if you're not passionate about giving, helping, I want you to reevaluate where you are. Discover your passion. And if you don't know why you're passionate about, really dig it down. Find why you don't like it, but like it. You have to like it. Otherwise, you won't be able to go through it. And Steve Jobs once mentioned that quite a few years ago when they asked him. He said, if you're not passionate about what you're doing, somewhere, some way, something will block your road, and when it blocks your road, directly will drift. Why? You don't have the thrust, the momentum that gets you through that challenge. So that's what passion is to you, and that's what I want to share with you. Now I'm going to ask you to do a few things, which is one of them, it's a question in your book. I want you to stop for a minute and answer that question. What are you passionate about? Okay, what am I passionate about? What is my passion? Okay, take 1 minute, think about it. If you can't find it now, no problem. You can find it later. Find quiet time, probably, not when you're tired. All right? Just be passionate about what you're doing. Find it. Why am I passionate? Answer the question.